Sister, I'm from Favor Pious. I'm from Ebonyi State. Praise the Lord. I'm not with Jesus. I want two testimonies. Ofuna my mother. Even now, there was a man there who works together with me, and the man said he must make sure that I'm sacked from there just for nothing. He said he will deal with me. I was thinking it's a joke, but I never knew he meant it. So later on, the thing became too much. So I came to Daddy here. Daddy said I should not worry. So then I went back. Later again, I came back. Daddy said I should not worry. He now gave me message. Then I was praying. Later, I didn't know they have already conspired how they will deal with me. So they said so many stories, told so many lies against me, so many allegations. Then later now, they have already written the sack letter, and I didn't know. Even employed someone that will replace me. But one thing gives me confidence, because this job that I'm doing was not given to me by ordinary men. Rather, it was God of intervention and Daddy. And Daddy also, that they put me in that position. I know that nobody can enthrone me from that position. So I have the confidence. So when we are doing everything, I relax. I know that I said that Daddy said that I should not worry. I just relax my mind. So later on now, they have already written the sack letter. They employed someone that will replace me. They are all doing all these things. So at the end, I was praying. At the end, things turned around against them. So all those people that conspired to sack me, all of them, three of them, both the white men among them, all of them were sacked.
Cover Jesus, Aka. This is reality.
So it's too much. It's great on me, because that company is a very big company. I did nothing, just hatred, just like that. So when they were served, people was, Favor, what kind of God you are serving? What is this? I said, I know. The lion is there with me. He backs me up. He's the one with the great God of intervention. The two of them teamed up and put me in that position. Therefore, no man, no woman can dethrone me from that position, except if they sign it before it can be possible. I have the confidence. Now, the three of them, even the white man included them, all of them, they were sacked. And the second one was my mother. I was called last 2 weeks that my mother was seriously ill. And the way they called me, I know that things is no longer in order. So I came here on Monday to see Daddy with her patient. Daddy gave me a message and said I should pray so that she will not die premature. So that very Monday, I slept here, I prayed, and I kept her picture on the altar here. Then the next morning, I called my mom. She said, that place I'm going prayer is too powerful. I said, what happened? He said Daddy came to her on her dream. He appeared and delivered her. Before I could even get to village, my mom is already made whole. And I said, God.
Cover God of intervention, Aka, or God Noria.